Now listen and answer questions 15 to 20.
Melby coal mine has been open to the public for 20 years and has won awards for its visitor experience. Many of the buildings around the mine are still standing and have been converted into display areas. Firstly, there's an exhibition showing the history of the mine, with many original black and white photos. To see that, you go from the car park via a covered walkway to the main visitor centre. Go through the ticket office to an area where there are lockers to leave heavy bags in, and where you can borrow raincoats. Beyond that room is the exhibition. There's a small bathhouse where miners used to wash after their shift underground. You can see that in the building directly to the north of the engine house. The boiler has gone from there now, but there are lines of tin baths on the stone floor. There's a display of early mining tools from the days before mechanisation. You can find that in a small L-shaped building in the middle of the northern boundary of the site. It's incredible to think how miners were able to use hand implements to cut through rock. The vehicle shed, where you can find wagons of different sizes, along with some of the high-tech cutting machines that were in use until the mine closed, is in the southwest corner of the site and can be accessed via a covered walkway. There is a field with ponies, which are always popular with children, on the northeastern boundary of the site, not approached via a covered walkway. The other building to mention is the Education Centre. This is where school groups go when they visit the mine, but it's also accessible to the public, as it contains a library and small gift shop. The centre is connected to the ticket office via a short section of covered walkway.